Here's how you can make carbon paste in Icarus. Now first things first, you are going to need a few things. Over in your tech tree, make sure to have learned on the tier 2 the mortar and pestle right here. Once you've unlocked this, you should be able to unlock the various different branches right next to it. Now, carbon paste is right over here. Now from its requirements right there, it's a little bit complicated. Now the recipe for carbon paste right here requires 1 piece of silica ore, 1 piece of aluminium ingot, 4 pieces of organic resin, and 2 pieces of epoxy. Now for organic resin and epoxy, you can make it inside the mortar and pestle right here, which requires 2 pieces of sulfur and 4 pieces of tree sap, or you can make it through 4 pieces of crushed bone. Now for the organic resin, you only really need wood and oxide, which are pretty easy to find. And for aluminium, it's pretty easy to get as well because you can just find them in caves. But for you to smelt them, you have to use a concrete furnace right here. Okay, over here in the concrete furnace, I just place down the aluminium ore here and then just use coal as fuel and then smelt them down into aluminium ingots, which as you can see, I've already picked out some in my inventory. Now all I really need to do, go back over to the furnace here and then craft the carbon paste. Just give it a good few seconds, and there you go. And that's pretty much about it on how to make carbon paste in Icarus.